Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Seema Benade, Assistant Professor at DRK College of Commerce, Kolhapur. I used to teach to BBA students management subjects. So today also my topic of discussion with you is also tourism services. So tourism service is one of the important services nowadays. Like we know that world population is increasing and everyone is moving around here and there to get entertained through enjoying these tourism services. So these tourism services is gaining so much importance not only in India, outside the India, throughout the world. So according to the World Tourism Organization, they have given the data that is in the year 2016 the tourist arrival is reached up to the 1.2 billion, which was 674 million in the year 2000. So we can imagine this is the huge gap in between these two figures within this short period of time. So in that way we can understand that tourism industry is gaining importance day by day. So that's why I have chosen this topic for this today's presentation, the tourism services. So what do you mean by this tourism company? These are nothing but one type of entity or bureau which organizes and arranges tour trips or packages for the tourist. So that companies we can call as a tourist companies or tourism services they provide. So I welcome you in my today's session, which is based on this topic, that is tourism services and what are its characteristics. So like we know that tourism service is basically a service. So whatever are the characteristics of services that is applicable to the tourism service. So what are the characteristics of the services? The major four characteristics of services are there: intangibility, inseparability, heterogeneity and perishability. So all these four characteristics are applicable to the services. Apart from that, what are the other characteristics are applicable in the tourism services that we are going to see. So before going to that, what are the different characteristics or tourism services, what are the features, we need to understand some little bit introduction about this tourism services. Like in the tourism we can see there are three important parts, components or elements are there. First is the transportation, second is the accommodation and third is the tour operators. So transportation means what? There we can say road transport, railway transport and air transport. So who are the tourists or customers? They can choose any mode of transportation depending on the availability, depending on their budget, depending on their interest. So according to that they can choose. Second important component is a accommodation. So accommodation means so many variety types of hotels are there, resorts are there, that are nothing but the accommodation which provide the facility to stay to the customers or the tourists. And third important component of the tourism service, that is tour operators. So tour operators are those people who organizes and arranges tours and provide the package to the customers or the tourists. So they purchase that and against that they provide the variety of facilities to their customers. So these are the three important elements in the tourism services, that is transportation, accommodation and tour operators. Then what are the characteristics of the tourism services? Like earlier told you, intangibility is there, services are intangible, services are heterogeneous, they are not going to get similarity in that, services are perishable and services cannot be separated from the service provider. These all characteristics which are there in the services are applicable to the tourism service. But apart from that, this tourism service has another major important characteristics that we are going to see. So first characteristic is stable location. So in the stable location we can understand or we can find out that tourism locations are fixed and potential customers have to visit these locations for consuming the various services offered. So for example, here given that the tourist visiting India wants to enjoy the backwaters of the Kerala, then he physically has to go there to the Kerala and enjoy that. So like we say, there are major marketing mix or P's are there. So in that distribution, that is place mix, which focuses on how service provider deliver the service to the customers. So in the case of tourism services, that place mix is very important. So this characteristic is very important when we are looking out the what are the marketing mix of the tourism services. So in the place mix, how service provider deliver the service to the service provider. So in the tourism service provider deliver the service to the customers at third place, which is tourist place. So service can be provided at the service provider's doorstep, service can be provided at customer's doorstep, or service can be provided at third location, that is tourist place. So usually in the tourism services we can see, or this is a very important characteristic, that is the place is fixed, stable location is there, and customer or tourist need to go physically to get or consume that service. So that is important characteristic. Then another important characteristic is huge financial investment. So huge financial investment is there in the tourism services. Like tourism industry requires huge amount of investment for development of infrastructure. Like huge hotels are there, 3 stars hotel, 5-star hotel, 7-star hotel, where we need huge amount of investment, or huge investment is there in that construction. So that is very important. Then construction is not only enough, maintenance is required, huge amount of hospitality staff is required, so that require huge financial investment. So that is another important characteristics of tourism services. So not only that, so many other facilities need to be provided to the customers. A variety of hotels, they provide their own taxi facility or bus facility. Some tourist places which are man-made, they need construction, for the construction purpose huge investment is required. Like in Dubai we can see so many variety of places are there which are man-made, so where construction cost is very huge. So huge financial investment is another important characteristics of the tourism services that we should not neglect. And then another important characteristic is unstable demand. So when people are thinking about marketing mix, then they need to focus about on what about the demand for their service in the coming future. So for that they need to make the predictions. So in the case of tourism services, it is very difficult to predict the future demand, because there is very much high level of instability in the demand. The demand for the tourism products is not stable. So demand for the tourism services or destinations are in demand in the vacation period, where there is very less demand in the off vacation or off season period. So like we know that fare rates or hotel rates, they are charged very high rates in the season period, and they reduce their rates in the off season period, because there is a high level of fluctuations in the demand. So this is another important characteristics of the tourism services. Then next important characteristic is perishability, which is applicable in the service, which is applicable in the tourism services also. So perishability in the services, there we can see the tourism products like airline seats, hotel rooms, if they are occupied at a one time, if all rooms are occupied, then there is no perishability. But if in the hotels there are 100 rooms and only 80 rooms are occupied, then 20 rooms are empty, that is loss of service. So those 20 rooms cannot be stored and that cannot be used in the future, so that is a loss of service, that is nothing but the perishability. So in the tourism service, this is another important characteristic, is the perishability of the services. So another important characteristic in the tourism service, that is, like we know that these tourism service destinations are characterized by fluctuations in the demand, like peak and off season. So seasonal variations that we can say in the tourism services. The next important characteristic is this industry is highly people oriented industry. So in this, the service is rendered by people and service is rendered to people. So here high level of labor intensity is there, or high in labor intensity is there, and people are interacting to each other. So whenever we go and visit any destination or any tourist place, there we can see that so many people are providing their variety of services to the customers. So it is a highly people oriented service, we can say. The next important characteristic is high fixed cost. So this tourism service huge investment is there, and as well as there is a huge amount of fixed cost. Like many tourist business have fixed cost, in the sense like construction of the building infrastructure where their funds are blocked. So that is nothing but fixed cost. So that fixed cost is very huge in this tourism services. So like this, in the tourism services, other facilities are also provided, like bus facility, cinema theater, taxi facility, tourist information centers. Apart from that, so many amenities are provided to the tourists to attract them. So in the tourism services, this part is very essential, that when we are thinking about marketing strategy, or when we are making planning about the all 7 P's related with the tourism services, first of all one need to understand what are the major characteristics of the tourism services. Because if you are very much aware about what are the important characteristics of tourism services, then and then only you can make planning about what will be your strategies in your marketing mix, what strategies you are going to adopt while designing your product, what strategies you need to adopt while deciding your price, what strategies you need to adopt while distribution of the service, what strategies are important in the promotion of the service, what strategies are important in the people, process, physical evidence, all the P's of the marketing mix. So these characteristics are very essential, very important to understand this tourism services. So in that way, I want to conclude that tourism service is one of the important service, and its characteristics are also need to be studied and understand. So thank you so much. If you like my video, subscribe it. Thank you.